Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Elisa. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. Part of my New Year resolution is to incorporate more vegetable into my dishes. Today, I will be making tofu with bean sprout. For this recipe, you would need tofu. This is extra firm, green onions, bean sprout, mushroom. This is they call this vermicelli noodle, which is made out of potato starch and green bean starch. Fish sauce, black soy sauce, garlic, and chicken powder. And this is how the black soy sauce look like. Okay, it's a black soy sauce, and it's sweet actually. Okay, first I'm going to cut my tofu. Okay, and then just let this sit aside. Yung tok tahu malay. Next, cut my green onion. Lâu nữa,ខ្ញុំកាត់ស្ទឹម I love mushroom. There's something about the mushroom that make it taste so good. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំផ្សិតនឹងមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ So what is your guys' favorite vegetable dish? I'm just curious because I receive requests. People want me to make, you know, healthy dishes. So this is one of my healthy dish, is cooking tofu stir fry with bean sprout. Normally in a Cambodian tradition of cooking, when we make tofu, we cook it with pork blood. Yes, we would use pork blood instead of mushroom. Instead of green onion, we use chives, which to me it's similar, very similar taste. ចំពោះតាហ៊ូឆាតាហ៊ូនេះខ្មែរយើងទម្លាប់ទម្លាប់ខ្មែរយើងយើងឆាជាមួយឈាមជ្រូកប៉ុន្តែ you know យើងអាចធ្វើរបៀបផ្សេងក៏បានដែរណាខ្ញុំប្រើឈាមជ្រូកឯងខ្ញុំប្រើផ្សិតវិញជំនួសឈាមជ្រូក Okay ហើយនឹងស្ប៉ាឡាយផ្សិតយើងហើយ อันนี้ให้เราเนี่ยดำខ្ទឹមយើងចាំខ្ទឹមស្រួលហ៎ Right now I'm gonna deep fry my noodle. You want to separate this, and then you're just gonna stick it into the pan. And you're gonna put it to the other side. There we go. There, nice and beautiful. And now I'm gonna fry my tofu. Next, gonna fry your tofu. want to deep fry this until it turns golden brown, and then remove it from the heat. Thì riêng cream tí ấy dừng xoắn vào trứng này. So I'm ready to stir fry everything. So in here is oil and garlic. Là nó nhân chặt đam chá mình nhâm đặt khánh là nó đặt tấm á. Fish sauce, tray. The black sweet bean soy sauce, there's 8 cups, and the sausage. Mushroom. Smells so good in here, you guys. Smells so yummy. Không crunch ngon vậy nè. Màu ta gọi trắng nhám á, con ồ. Là plư sân, đã sao plư với nó ngắt. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to put in the green beans. You don't want to overcook the green bean, okay guys? You know, on a little bit. Okay, that's it. Give it a few toss. Okay, a few toss like that, just like a few seconds, not even a minute. And putting your bean sprout. Like that. Just gonna mix it up. Okay, mix it up. Yeah, mix it up. Okay, now follow me, follow me. Ooh, what you gonna do with this? Yeah, I'm gonna put it on top of this plate right here. You see that? Okay, dump it out. Yeah, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Looks yummy. Put some over here. Ooh. Green onion, bean sprout, and tofu go well together. Also the mushroom. Delicious. Healthy dish for you guys. Whoever looking for a vegetarian dish right here. Perfect. I'm trying to get the noodle. Let's see. And for the noodle, just use half of it. Just, not half. Just use one of it. I think 2 was a little bit too much unless you like noodle. You hear it quite nice and spicy. Dancing, because it's good, like that. Okay guys, that's a wrap. I hope you give this recipe a try, and tell me all about it by leaving me a comment below. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, share my video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, and if there's something that you like, you know, how my video go, and if something you want more, hit that subscribe button. If not, it's okay. No hurt feeling. Until the next video, thank you, take care, and bye-bye.